Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Sibiya'sTestimony.
To elect to go point at certain places.
Manje ke kwasekulandela ke manje uKenneth Khadebe noma uHadebe ochila ukuthi yena ke wafika ke eAlbertine ehamba ke nawe ke noma kwaya ke eFosloras. Uthe uma efakaza ke la enkantolo uKenneth Khadebe wathi naye ke wakufundela wachazela ke ngamalungelo echazela futhi nangemiphumela yalokho nalapho ke wathatha isinqumo emuva kokuthi esechazeleke sokuthi uzohamba ke uyokhomba indawo ezithize ikona afike wakusho la uKenneth Khadebe.
Awekho uHadebe awekho amalungelo angifundela wona, akukho engangidecide la khona, konke kwakwenzeka lapha kwakwenziwa bangiholelwa uye uHadebe ukuthi angime kanje angenze kanje kube khona oshuthayo, akukho ngakwenza mina ngithando yami.
No, the rights were explained to me by Kenneth Khadebe, my lord. There's nothing that I did out of my own free will. I was doing that which I was being instructed by him to do, where he would tell me to stand like this, and then someone would be taking a picture or pictures.
Thank you. Mr. Khadebe, the colonel, further told this court that after he had explained your rights and you having made a decision to continue to go and point out those places which according to him you ultimately pointed out, you made a specific request to him.
Okunye futhi aqhubekekile wakusho yena ke uKenneth Khadebe ukuthi ke emuva kokuthi esechazeleke ngamalungelo akho usuhambile ke wayokhomba la uyokhomba khona ke unesicelo esithize owasenza wena kuyena.
According to him, you requested him to take you to the entrance of Fosloris because you were not so clued up about the direction from Albertine to Fosloris, where you wanted to go and point out those things, which according to him, you ended up pointing out.
Uthi ke owacela wena ukuthi nje abakhambiseke nje kuze kuyofika la ekungenwa khona ke eFosloras ngoba ke wawungekho sure noma ungenaso ke isiqiniseko mayelana ke nomgwaqo okusuka eAlbertine ukuya eFosloras, kodwa uma nje bengathatha bakunikise kwi-entrance noma la ekungenwa khona eFosloras ila ke manje wawusozobathatha khona ke ubahambise la wathi wagcina ubasa khona uyokhomba khona.
Is that how it happened?
Indlela okwenzeka ngayo leyo?
Cha.
No.
Akaze ngize ngithi mina ngizokhola lapha ngizobakhomba khona.
I never said that I would point out anything, sorry.
Kwakuyibo babeyikhombela la bakhomba khona betshele mina ukuthi angikhombe. So
they are the ones who pointed out and they would then instruct me to point. There's nothing that I knew.
Did you make a request to Mr. Khadebe that only if they can drive from Albertine to the entrance of Fosloris, then you will be able to lead the direction thereafter?
Ingaba nesicelo yini wasenza kuyena ke uKenneth Khadebe ukuthi nje bona abasuke la ababe khona ke eAlbertine bayokumikisa nje noma bafike khona la engenwa khona eFosloras ukusuka lapho ke manje usuzobathatha ke wena uye kuleyo ndawo leyo?
Angaze ngibe nasicelo Khadebe kusekatona.
No, I've never had a request to Khadebe, my lord.
Thank you. Now, on the 27th of October 2020, this is information that is on record that was supplied to us by the state as per the transcribed records. I'm going to read you something that is contained in the records. It's very short, it's very brief. Thank you, very brief. Now, on page 16 of the transcribed record of the 27th of October 2020, this is what, amongst others, transpired. Now, the magistrate says to you, Mr. Sibiya, accused number 1, do you wish to bring a bail application?
Umele uthi ke manje uzokufundela ke lokho kwenzeka ke ngazo i27 zika October kunyaka ke ka2020 enkantolo manje ubingelela ke imanje yase ikubuza lo mbuzo ke mnumzana Sibiya mangabelwa boqala ingabe kuyisifiso sakho yini ukuthi ulethe isicelo sebail.
Now your response is, Your Worship, before I proceed with the question of bail, I would like to explain to the court when answering here before court.
Uma usuphendula-ke wena-ke uthi ngaphambilini kokuthi ngingaphendula-ke noma ngingaphendula-ke kudaba lolu lwe-bail, uma sengiphendula-ke kuyona inkantolo lena noma ngichaza.
Now, subsequent to you having said that, just for the sake of completeness, the court, in response to your request that you wanted to explain to him something, then the court says to you, I am not going to allow you to hijack the proceedings. There are certain processes that needs to be followed. The court explained to you, firstly, your right with regards to legal representation, and you indicated that you wished, you did not even answer. Thank you. Close quotes.
Manje lana-ke wase uthi wena-ke nanjengoba usho-ke kwinkantolo ukuthi khona lokho ofisa ukuthi uchazeke, inkantolo isiyakutshela-ke manje-ke ukuthi angeke ivumeleke ukuthi nje wenzeke noma kanjani-ke enkantolo-ke zikhona iy'ndlela-ke noma-ke iy'gaba inkantolo ekufanele-ke iyilandele futhi ichazele zona-ke ezinye zazo-ke ukuthi ilungelo lakho lokuthi ungaba naye ummeli. Did I hear you correctly? Said, I wish I did not answer.
It says, the court has explained to you, firstly, your rights with regards to legal representation, and you indicated that you wished, you did not even answer. Now I want you to listen to me very carefully. Do you understand?
Yes.
From the reading of what has just been placed on record here, it seems to me that beyond you, in fact, before you wanted to proceed to tell the court about the question of bail, there is something that you wanted to bring to the attention of this court. That is, I say that based on what is contained. In other words, I am glimpsing what I'm asking you based on what is contained on the record.
Ngempendulo yakho-ke noma kulokho-ke okushilo la noma obhaliwe laphayana ukuthi ngaphambilini kokuthi-ke kudingidwe udaba lolu lebheli noma uphenduleke kudaba lebheli ukhona lokhu owawufisa ukuthi ungakutshela inkantolo uma ngibheka nje lokhu okubhaliwe kule document engiyiphethe.
However, the court did not afford you the opportunity to do that. In other words, it shut your request on your face. It did not allow you the opportunity to do that. Now my question is, what is it that you actually wanted to bring to the attention of this court with this request?
Kodwa-ke kuyabonakala-ke noma kuyezwakala-ke uma ufunda laphayana ukuthi-ke inkantolo-ke yakunqabela ukuthi-ke ukwenze lokho. Manje-ke umbuzo wami uthi yini le owawufisa noma kwakuyini leyo owawufisa ngaleliya langa leli ukuthi-ke ungayitshela inkantolo noma lesiya sicelo awufisa ukusenza enkantolo?
Isicelo engangifisa ukusenza enkantolo angifuna ukutshela inkantolo ukuthi lamaphoyisa angishayile, angihlukumeza, angisabisa.
I wanted to inform the court that the police officers had assaulted me, had abused me, had threatened me. I accused me of a matter that I knew nothing about, that I have never committed.
Aphinde ayangihlukumeza ngaso sonke isikhathi ndingaze ngasuka ema-police station ngaya ejele.
And that they were abusing me at all the times up until I was removed from police stations and taken to prison.
Thank you, Mr. Sibiya. That will be all from me. Thank you, my Lord.
Further points of clarification.
So this is what he intended to say, but he never said it.
It is because the court did not allow him the opportunity to do so, my lord. Yes.
The reading evidence which was read in that court, that is not on record. What he intended to say is not on record. Is that so?
He could not say it, my lord, because the court forbade him the
an officer of this court.
Yes, my lord.
That is what he says to you, he intended to say.
Yes.
But the point is, it is not on that record.
It is so, my lord.
Fine, that's
but
all.
there are reasons why it is not on record.
No, you can't say that.
As it is.
You are not there. You don't even know the reason. You are not in his mind. Please.
That is all, my lord.
Yes.
Thank you, my lord.
Hey, madam.